A hairdresser from Korea shared this recipe with me for promoting fast hair growth. Stop hair loss immediately. Are you worried because your hair is getting thinner and breaking more easily? You may be surprised to know that right in your own kitchen, there are simple ingredients that can help your hair grow stronger and healthier. One of the most important among them is aloe vera. In this video, I'll be sharing 2 natural hair care recipes using aloe vera combined with other nutrient-rich ingredients. They're easy to make safe for your scalp and can help support healthy hair growth. We'll start with a familiar ingredient you might already have in your garden: fresh aloe vera leaves. Before using, soak the aloe vera in clean water for about 2 hours to remove the yellow sap. This step makes the aloe gel pure and safe for your scalp, preparing it for the next steps in our recipe. Once the aloe vera has been soaked and the yellow sap fully removed, we can move on to the most important part: the clear gel-like flesh inside the leaf. This is where nearly all of aloe vera's valuable nutrients are concentrated, from vitamins and minerals to natural enzymes, all of which are beneficial for both your skin and your hair. Next, cut the aloe vera flesh into small pieces and blend it until you get a pure, smooth gel. For centuries, aloe vera has been treasured as a miracle plant for hair because it contains allantoin, a compound that helps awaken dormant hair follicles, encouraging new hair to grow faster and thicker. On top of that, its rich supply of antioxidants helps protect the scalp from environmental damage while nourishing and strengthening each strand of hair. Once blended, the aloe vera gel has a silky smooth texture that preserves all its nutrients. It's easy to use for soothing the scalp, providing deep hydration and supporting stronger hair growth from the roots. This gel will also serve as the foundation for the 2 hair care recipes we're about to make. After blending, divide the aloe vera gel into 2 equal portions. Each portion will be combined with different ingredients to create 2 simple yet effective hair masks. Now, let's start with the first recipe: a wonderful combination of aloe vera, cucumber, and lemon. First, prepare a fresh cucumber, wash it thoroughly, and then grate it to extract the juice. Cucumber is well known for its high water content, along with vitamins A, C, and silica, which deeply hydrate, soothe the scalp, and strengthen hair follicles. In addition, cucumber has natural antioxidant properties that help protect the scalp from free radicals while cooling and calming irritation, leaving a refreshing feeling. Next, cut and squeeze half a lemon to extract the juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which help deeply cleanse the scalp, remove excess oil, and stimulate new hair growth. Once you have all the ingredients, mix the cucumber juice and lemon juice with the aloe vera gel, stirring well until everything blends smoothly. And just like that, you've created a refreshing hair mask that both cleanses and nourishes. This trio works together to keep the scalp clear, reduce oiliness and dandruff, and encourage hair to grow stronger, faster, and naturally shinier. To boost the effectiveness, add 2 pumps of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of pure honey to the mixture. Then stir well until fully blended. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, allowing it to penetrate deeply, nourish the hair follicles, and support faster, stronger hair growth. Meanwhile, honey is a wonderful natural moisturizer. It locks in hydration, soothes dryness and itchiness, and leaves hair soft and silky. Together with aloe vera, cucumber, and lemon, this creates a complete hair mask, cleansing, nourishing, and repairing damaged strands, giving you healthy, beautiful hair from root to tip. Store the mixture in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator and use it within 1 week. With completely natural ingredients, this recipe is gentle, safe, and nourishing. Very different from chemical-based products that can sometimes cause irritation or long-term damage. When using, apply the mixture evenly over your entire scalp, making sure every area is covered with nutrients. Gently massage with your fingertips for a few minutes to help the ingredients absorb deeply into the hair follicles while also stimulating blood circulation. Then, wrap your hair with a soft towel or a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 to 35 minutes so your hair can fully soak up the benefits before rinsing thoroughly with warm water. After each use, you'll notice your hair feels softer, your scalp lighter, and refreshed. If you keep this up once a week over time, your hair will gradually become stronger with noticeably less breakage, and it will grow thicker, smoother, and naturally shinier. So, we've just completed the first recipe. I'd really love to hear from you. Are you dealing with hair breakage or thinning? Give this recipe a try and share your results in the comments so everyone can learn from your experience. This is just the first recipe, but the results it brings are already truly impressive. In the next part, we'll explore an even more exciting recipe, one that's especially helpful for those with dry, brittle hair that breaks easily. It's sure to bring plenty of pleasant surprises on your journey to natural hair care. First, prepare 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and dissolve it in about 150 milliliters of water. Place it on the stove over low heat and stir continuously. Once the mixture thickens and turns into a smooth cream-like texture, you've created the perfect base. Cornstarch not only gives the mixture a creamy consistency, so the nutrients can cling better to each strand of hair, but it also helps soothe the scalp, provide hydration, and reduce frizz. This way, your hair gets restored from root to tip, leaving it softer, smoother, and stronger. When the cornstarch mixture has cooled down a bit, add it to the bowl with aloe vera gel. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice bran oil, the remaining aloe vera gel, and 1 egg yolk to prepare for mixing. Rice bran oil is well known for its ability to deeply moisturize, soften, and protect hair from dryness while providing nutrients that keep it strong and naturally shiny. The aloe vera gel continues to work its magic by soothing the scalp, hydrating, and maintaining the moisture balance needed to prevent damage. Meanwhile, the egg yolk is a true nutrient powerhouse packed with protein vitamins A, D, and B, along with biotin, all essential for repairing damaged hair, rebuilding weak strands, and encouraging stronger growth from root to tip. The combination of these 3 ingredients creates a perfect hair mask. It not only hydrates, but also nourishes deeply, leaving your hair soft, fuller, and full of vitality. This simple yet effective mask can help restore weak strands, reduce split ends, and stimulate thicker, stronger growth. As for how to use it, the method is similar to the first recipe. Apply the mixture evenly to your scalp and through the length of your hair, gently massage, then leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Since this mask is quite powerful in repairing damaged hair, you only need to use it about twice a month to achieve the best results. To store the mixture, place it in a clean glass jar, seal tightly, and keep it in the refrigerator. Remember, it's best to use it within 7 days to preserve its freshness and effectiveness. This is a completely natural and simple way to care for your hair, yet it leaves your strands soft, strong, and full of vitality. So we've just explored 2 aloe vera recipes that nourish and restore your hair. With consistent use, you'll notice long-lasting results, less breakage, faster growth, and hair that's shinier and stronger. Truly, this is a natural gift that anyone can prepare and enjoy right at home. As we enter middle age, our hair often becomes thinner and more prone to shedding. That's why, alongside applying natural remedies like aloe vera, cucumber, or castor oil, it's important to combine them with a balanced diet to nourish your hair from within. These small yet consistent habits can bring about big changes, helping you enjoy strong, healthy, and vibrant hair every day. Please remember, this video is for reference only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health and beauty tips. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good health and peace. See you in the next video.